Mapa-singing, dancing, modeling, hosting, o bisag nga na nimo ang tanang talento, mapasundayag kini sa Filipino-American twins nga sila si Amelia ug Adinah Delegencia. Nagdako ang duha sa Estados Unidos apan ang ilang inahan, taga Cebu, samtang ilang amahan, taga Cagayan de Oro. Ubay-ubay na usab ka mga dagkong artist ug mga athletes ang ilang nahinabi sa ni G-Eazy, Ayesha, Steph Curry ug Manny Pacquiao. Taliwa silang talento, wa nila gikalimtan ang ilang gigikanan, hilabi na ang ilang identity isip mga Pinoy. Ug karong buntaga, ato silang makauban dinilang sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Maayong buntag ug maupayhan aga, Amelia and Adinah. Welcome to our program, GMA Regional TV Live. Kindly greet our viewers.
Yes, of course. Hello, good morning. It was maayong buntag. Yes. Yeah, and you got this, Adinah.
You seem to have forgotten.
Good morning.
We're not fluent in
Cebuano.
But Cebuano.
Okay.
But that's where we're at. So yeah. How about we both say maayong? Okay. Maayong buntag.
Wow.
But you understand Cebuano a little.
Context clues when people are speaking, like just a little bit of English. I try to piece it together and then pretend I know.
Context.
Just pretend.
How are you? You're here in the Philippines for visit, 2-month visit, right?
Yes.
While you're on vacation? How was your experience so far?
It's been wonderful so far. I loved it here. We're still here. We're still here, but we're almost going to be going back home soon. She packed everything up. Already. I'm going to miss it here. I feel like I'm going to be more homesick of the Philippines than of the States. Ooh, I can't believe I said that. Hot take.
Well,
What do you like most about Cebu or about the Philippines?
What do I like most? It's What do you like most? Water.
oh,
Oh yes, we can stay in the water all the time. We get to hang out with. Also, it keeps me hydrated. Yeah. You know how they have beautiful oceans that are warm, unlike in the States. But we share an ocean, you know. Yeah, we do share an ocean. It's just across. Yeah.
but you just love going to the beach, right?
Yes, we do. Beautiful, cute fish. I love fish.
Wow. How do you usually start your morning, girls?
Today, actually, we woke up with the roosters, the sound of them, and we don't have that. Yeah, sometimes back where we're home. Sometimes here, though, we do the opposite, and we don't go to sleep. So we go to sleep in the mornings with the roosters because our sleep schedule is still out of whack.
You're aspiring journalists, of course, model. You do vlogging, content creation. Who inspired you to do this?
Who inspired us? Well, I would say it's the people in the community that we grew up watching and working hard in the Bay Area. We used to explore all of the cities around and see how they were hard at work, whether it be sports or politics or on the screen, you know? Amelia said that what we do, or the way it's progressed, we just, I don't know, it was a product of being curious kids and our parents who wanted us to live in abundance. Yeah.
At what age did you start this idea?
What age?
When did you start this idea?
Honestly, I think we've been doing it forever.
Oh.
But it's more, I could say 10, around that age,
10
because
years old. Okay.
it makes it easier to subtract. Also, I can just say I'm 17 now, so I've probably been doing it for around 7 years.
7 years ago.
Yeah, estimate.
So we learned you're aspiring journalist as well. So you'd like to be one in the future. We were asked to switch places at this moment. Are you ready to do some questioning on us, on Lu
Of
and
course,
I?
we'd love to.
So we have to switch places, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys can get on the swivel chairs.
All right, yeah.
Okay.
So kita na sa
Sorry,
kanimay
sorry.
ang ilang pangutanon. Let's try to do this, girls.
Sunggutan ini.
Comfortable.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are your guests for today, and you're our hosts, right?
Oh my God! First of all, I am
Okay.
so honored to have you
I should
guys
give you
here
this one.
today. Oh my gosh!
have
This is so fun. I feel
Okay.
extremely legit right now. Yes. We ready to start this, Adinah? You gotta do intros
Okay.
like them.
You want to try
I'm
reading the
baffled. It's
Cebuano
all in.
scripts?
No, I
Cebuano. Yeah, this is what I wanted to see, and it's I don't know what I'm looking at.
Oh,
Okay.
Hide it.
Come on.
Really cool though.
But do you have any questions? We're like
Yes,
we're waiting
of
for a few questions. Are we, Mike?
Do an
Just a
introduction
few?
first. Yeah, let's go. Hey everybody, it's Amelia
And Adinah,
and get ready for this fun interview.
today
Today,
we're here in GMA Cebu.
yep, and we're with the beautiful hosts of this show. This is Ate Mai, and this is Kuya Nico.
Wow.
We have questions for you today.
First off, I'd like to thank you guys for inviting us out here, out in the morning. It's fun. It's been fun so far. Can you guys tell us, since you guys are the news here, what's going on today in Cebu?
What can we do? Oh well, what can we do as people who can explore Cebu?
Yeah.
There's so many things you can do here in Cebu. You just have to allot like ample time. You go south. Did you try whale watching already? Not yet.
Yes.
Oslo.
Oslo.
Oh.
You've
Did
been
I
to
say
Oslo.
that right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yes, Oslo. And then when you're here in the city, you can also visit the new museum, the newly opened
Yeah,
museum.
that's right. There
It's
was-
in Plaza Independencia. And learn more about Cebu.
We'll have to take your advice on that one.
Okay.
We'd also like to know what is possibly upcoming in the next week while we're
weekend?
still here, right?
Wow.
I mean, we're going to at least one event we know of.
Yes.
Kumu event, which is a meet and greet. You guys having a meet and greet coming up?
Yeah, you guys should
what
have a
else,
meet and greet.
What else
I'm
are you
sure-
saying that we can't hear?
I'm sure that people would love to meet you guys.
We're shy to do meet and greet. but you're speaking of event, by the way, let me just promote. We have a master class this weekend. My GMA master
yes.
class here. This is the network's way of promoting or teaching young students, and this is a sports
Event.
sports master class. We have sports icons who will be teaching young kids how to do basketball.
That's going to be on Saturday.
Reminds me of back in the States.
Yeah, we used to love going to clinics like that back then.
And it was one of the reasons that we got to where we're at. Our dad's a former coach.
Oh.